Hello, I'm Piyush Sharma, year 15CS276, and today we are going to see the various commands in networking. So we'll start with the first command, which is IP configure. As you can see, this command gives the address, IP address of the computer, of the laptop, and the various subnet mask and the default gateway IP address. Then this can be elaborated in this way. If we give ipconfig /all, it gives a more detailed result. It gives the net BIOS over TCP IP, then the DNS server's IP address, and the varied subnet masks. Then the next command is ipconfig display DNS. Display DNS. It displays the content of the DNS resolver cache. So basically it shows all this information, the various sites you have visited. So download windows.update.com, network.carner.edu, Blizzard, etc, etc. Then the next command is ping. Ping and whatever address you want to ping. Like I want to ping myself, so TTL is the time to live, and it can have at the max of 128 hops. So basically ping command is used to verify the IP level connectivity. Now next we are going to ping the local host. Yeah. Packets sent 4, received 4, and the loss is 0. So the 0% loss. And the time taken for this is in milliseconds. This local host refers to the terminal itself, and IP address associated with it is 127.0.0.1. So our next command is ping address -n. So ping which address I want to give. Address, like we'll give my address, I'll ping myself 10.2.4.242 and count the number of times I want to ping myself. I want to ping myself, say 3 times. See, so packet sent 3, received 3, and loss is 0. So there is 0% loss, and it has taken milliseconds to send and receive the packets. Then trace. Okay, we'll give the command trace route in the end. Okay, we'll give it now. Trace route, then the address. So trace route basically gives the path through which the packet has traveled. So desktop, this is the name of my desktop, m19jdea.current.edu, over a maximum of 30 hops, and the maximum hops possible is 128. So 1 millisecond time is taken for the packet, and its path has been traced here. Next, get MAC, GTMAC. It gives the physical address. That's it. So as you can see the physical address here of my media, and it is currently disconnected. So next command is address resolution protocol, which is ARP. Yeah, this is known as the address resolution protocol, and it gives the states or the addresses, states and the addresses, which is dynamic and static and all. Okay, so the next command is path ping. PATHPING. Path ping. Now I have to give the address. Say tracing the route to this thing over maximum of 30 hops. First is same thing, second is also same thing. Computing statistics for 25 seconds. So we have to wait for 25 seconds. It is also basically to trace the path. Yeah, it's done. Okay. So the next command is route print. Route. It basically gives the route table. As you can see here, we have been provided with the route table interface list. So basically there are two types of IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is type of, it's 16-bit, and IPv6 is 32 bits. So here we have provided with the gateway and the net mask of the IPv4 route table and IPv6 route table. So our next command is netstat. It displays the network connections over the TCP/IP protocol, transmission control protocol. So our next command is ns lookup. LLOK look up, then any address, find the no existent domain. So basically it tells the IP address of the host. So as you can see here, it is unknown and kindly find non-existent domain. We'll try with some other address, which is ns lookup. Let's say Karuna.edu. Again, server is unknown. Address is given, non-authoritative. Answer, name is this, and address is given. Again, it cannot be accessed. So maybe this command is not possible in my laptop because of the privacy of the servers. Then the next command is nbstat. nbstat. Sorry, it is nbt stat. nbtstat. It is a net BIOS over protocol. It is to help the TCP/IP to troubleshoot net BIOS, displays name, and resolves problems. Okay. So the next command is any netsh nesh command. Nesh. Now I want to ping, not ping. Okay, you have to type some address here. So let's go with following command is not found. Okay, so it is not found. So this command is basically to modify the network, basically to modify or display the network configuration of a currently running computer. But as you can see, it is not showing it. So let's try some other command. edu. The following command is not found. Okay. Okay, it's continuing. I don't know how to cancel this. So next command is nesh int ip show config. It shows the configuration of all the connections which I have in my laptop, like the all the configuration of the interfaces, which is the first is Ethernet 2, then LAN local area network, then Wi-Fi, and then loop back pseudo interface 1. Then the last command is nesh winsock show catalog. Yeah. So it shows all the names, NSP. It shows all the NSP entries here, which is name service provider entries. As you can see here, the email naming scheme provider, description, the provider ID, the namespace, the active and the version will show all the data here of the name service provider. So that's all the commands for the first experiment of the networking lab. Thank you.